Hi, first graders. We are going to be working with tens and ones this week, and working on our place value. How much is in each spot, wherever we put our digit makes a difference on how much we have. Okay, so right now we're going to work on our tens, groups of 10. So let's start by just counting by tens. Count with me, ready? Okay, here comes Tyson, here comes Aiden. You ready, Nicholas? Okay, here's Chloe. 10, 20, 30. Good job, Cody. 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And we're counting by tens. You guys know how to do this. That means that each row, right here, we have 10. If each one of these was a cupcake, we would have 10 cupcakes. And here's another row of 10. So now we're at 20. Here's another row. So now we're going to be at 30. We're counting by tens. So let's look right here. And I'm going to count how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's a group of 10. And to keep them organized so it's easy for me to see that they're a group of 10, I'm going to put them all together like this into a vertical strip up and down. Okay, do you agree that that's still 10? The same 10 that I had before? Let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and when we have them in a group like this, where they're all together, I'm just going to call it a group of 10. I'm going to call it a 10. So I have 1 10 right now. Okay, well, here's another one. Now I have 2 groups of 10, 2 tens. So 10, 20. So I have 20 of the little squares, but they're each in a group of 10. So I have 2 tens, and that equals 20. Okay. What if I add another 10? Now how many tens do I have? I have 1, 2, 3 tens. But what does that equal if I count up every single square? That means I have 30 of the squares. So I have 3 groups of 10, 3 tens. 3 tens equals 30. Okay, hold on a second. I know you guys know this. Let's practice. What if I add, I just added a couple more tens. So I don't have 3 tens anymore. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens. So does that still equal 30? Nicholas was like, no, that doesn't equal 30. Okay. Now we have 5 tens. So what is that going to equal? 5. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. That means 5 tens is equal to 50 of our little squares if we count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That would take a long time. It's easier just to say we have 5 tens and we don't have any little squares left over. So I put a 0. 50 squares altogether. Okay. So what you guys are going to do for today is I want you to work on your workbook pages. Okay. I'm going to have you work on workbook pages 104, 105, and 106 to practice counting your groups of 10 and figuring out how many squares that is all together. Okay, so practice your workbook pages for today. You can take a picture when you're finished and put it on Seesaw. See you soon.